Hey vlog. Your girl just woke up from a fat nap. It is 6:30 and I have a dinner at 8:30. Let's see if I'm gonna be on time. I'm gonna say hi to my little friend right here. His name is I don't think I've ever named him, but we should name him together. His name is gonna be something ugly. His name should be like, what's an ugly name for a guy? Harold. This is Harold, everybody. I sleep with him every night. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna get up now and get ready, and I'll see you guys before I leave to go. All right, so it's like 8:15 and I'm just finishing up. I did my hair. I'm just starting it with the head tie. I'm about to put on some lip gloss and brush out my lashes, and then I'm gonna go. And I'm not even gonna be late because I literally live like right beside the restaurant, so I shouldn't be that late. But yeah, gonna put on my lip gloss. And then out of here. And then like a good lip combo. And yeah. Okay. Now I can officially leave now. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, so I didn't even end up telling you guys what this dinner is for. It's actually dinner for my coworkers. We're doing a little Secret Santa exchange, and I have my gift here for my Secret Santa. I don't know if the person's coming to the dinner, so we'll see. But yeah, it's 8:31. I'm a little bit late, but you know, might as well be fashionably late. Hopefully they don't get too far into the dinner without me. But I live like literally, I'm like 5 minutes away. Make it 3 if I can put some speed on it. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there.
Are you listening? In the lane, the snow is glistening. A beautiful sight for
Me and a Fizda in the washroom. Oh my god, I almost dropped my phone. And we're just taking cute photos.
Guys, welcome to Jalea's vlog. You guys are like conditioned. Damn. Both of you just went. True. Comment down below.
Subscribe to Jalea.
Yeah, subscribe to Jalea. Comment down below.
Leave a like.
Leave a like.
Comment. Subscribe.
Everything.
Put your notifications on.
Put your notifications on. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter. Follow her Instagram. Twitter. TikTok. I don't know if it exists. TikTok.
Okay, we got our food. Yeah.
walking in a wonderland. Well, in the meadow we can build a snowman.
Hello, camera. Hello, camera. Pass it up, pass it up.
Hey guys, one and only D Lovely, you already know. I'm gonna move. Give it to the girl.
Alright guys, so I just got home and I got my gift. I completely forgot to film us exchanging gifts, but I'm so happy with my gift. So I got this perfume that I've been wanting. I don't know if you guys can see. It just smells really good. And then I got a selfie stick. Like, I've been asking for this. Oh, and it's a tripod. Oh. Purr. And then I got this YSL perfume. It was so cute. I'm really happy with my gift, and I know my person was happy with their gift, so yeah. But now I am gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, it's the next day and I didn't vlog this morning. Actually, what did I do today? Oh yeah, I went out for brunch with my friends and I didn't vlog. I don't know why, but sometimes you just have to live in a moment. So I didn't vlog. And then I came home and took a nap and now I'm back outside. I'm actually in front of Kamisa's house right now. We're gonna go get dessert. We were supposed to watch Black Panther today, even though I know we're like 2 months late. But I left my house too late, so we missed the movie time. So now we're just gonna go get dessert and just chit chat and talk and do foolery, like, you know, me and her by now. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, that bush was fun. Now the jingle hop and
We're eating her food. Okay, so she doesn't like.
I didn't eat it.
She doesn't like her food because she's so picky.
No, everything melted. Like, it came out very unpresentable. So if it looks ugly, what? Stop. I'm looking at a judgmental person.
I'm dying. Say bye to the vlog. Yeah.
Bye, guys. See you when I see you.
Yeah, purr. Bye. Okay, so I just got my hair done and I feel superior to everyone. Literally, let me show you guys. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see? It's just so cute. Like, purr. It's literally so cute. Never done like a half up, half down before with like quick weave, but this is so cute. But yeah, y'all, I just came back from my hair appointment and it's 12 and I'm starving. Like, there's like some big snowstorm coming to Ontario tomorrow. I have work, so I don't know if they're gonna shut down the city or because they already shut down the schools, so it's like might as well. So it's like, might as well shut down everything. I'm hoping. But I have plans on Saturday, so I don't know. The weather outside, the rain, the wind, horrible. Like, I was driving back home. It was only God who took me, who could bring me back safely, because literally, I could not see. I was like, I don't even know what lane I was driving in. I mean, I'm a pretty good driver, but that was pretty bad. So, but yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go to bed now because I do have work tomorrow, as I was saying. But I don't know if they're gonna cancel my shift or not, depending on how bad the weather is. I mean, like, I don't mind going in because, like, I'll be dead and I'll get paid. But like, if the weather is bad, I don't want to leave my house. So we'll see. I'll just update you guys tomorrow. All right, you guys, so it's the next day and I am going to work because the snowstorm is not storming enough for me not to go to work. So I'm gonna go to work, make my money. Right now I'm gonna re-straighten my hair and then redo my edges, and then I work at 2 and it's 1, so I'm gonna leave at like maybe 1:30 because there might be snow on the road. And then yeah, so you guys can watch me. I'm just gonna re-straighten my hair. Y'all, outside is not giving snowstorm at all. Like, it's windy, but they were really hyping it up and it's not even giving snowstorm at all. But But yeah, I'm ready for work. I just put this on to set my edges, and I think I'm gonna leave out soon. So see you guys when I get outside. Oh, stop. Oh, the wind is definitely winding. Oh my God. Damn. I will say the snow isn't bad, but it is definitely cold outside, like freezing. So I just got to work. I'm in the parking lot and it's only 1:30, so I still have a lot of time to chill. There's people outside smoking in this weather. You know how like addicted to like nicotine you have to be smoking outside in this weather? Like, it's not that deep. It is really cold outside. Like, anyways, anywho, I just got to work and I don't even want to get outside. I don't even want to go outside. But I have an 8-hour shift today, so y'all not gonna see me till like nighttime, to be honest. I don't know if I'm not doing anything later. I'm probably just gonna go home after work. Yeah, I really want to build, like, I said build. I really want to cook cookies. I really want to bake some cookies and some brownies, and even like do a gingerbread thing. But my sisters don't want to do it. Like, they're so boring. I need someone else to do gingerbread cooking with, gingerbread building with. But I mean, I ain't got no money. Anywho, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go to work and look cute. And yeah, bye. Alright guys, welcome back. It's the next day. I'm actually at church right now because we are having a chicken/soup drive. So we're out here giving chicken and soup to the people in our community, even though it's really cold out. But yeah, we're out here. Everyone say hi. We're trying to give away. Show them the sign. So we're giving away free chicken plus soup to the community at our church. It's kind of struggling right now because it's cold. Yeah, I know. Nobody's outside, so this is struggle. Say hi to the. Aww, cute.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, but bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bells time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Alright guys, so I am home and I'm wearing my pajamas. Merry Christmas. Right now I'm just watching The Grinch. Not really watching it, but it's just on the TV as background. And I have my ice cream. And tomorrow's Christmas, so Vlogmas is soon coming to the end, very much soon. Even though I only did like, what, 3 videos? Honestly, that's the most I've ever posted in a month, so you guys should be congratulating me. But honestly, I think I'm gonna just chill for the rest of the night. Tomorrow, I still have church, even though it's Christmas. And I think after that, I'm like having Christmas dinner. So tomorrow should be fun. If any of you guys have any favorite Christmas movies, comment down below because I want to know which ones you guys have. But yeah, I am going to just chill now and probably end the day's vlog here. And I will see you guys later. Or I'll see you guys tomorrow when it's actually Christmas. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so it's the next day and it's actually Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to everyone. I'm actually at my uncle's house right now, just having a dinner and spending time with each other. Probably gonna play some games, So yeah, you guys will see a little bit of my beautiful family. So yeah.
Was glistening, a beautiful sight. All were happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is a bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He's singing a song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. Well, in the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown.
Bo. Give me a time for yourself.
Nobody's waving. Okay.
Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid of the plans.
Hey,
That's why I turned the game.
hey, I won. Don't argue, y'all. Don't argue. It's okay. I won. It's okay. Yeah.
Well, in the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on, we'll conspire as we dream